So, we're going to call this a little bit of a comeback. We have got a few projects to do, and I'm just interested to know if anybody thinks they'll be interesting or not. First project, a little baguette. As you can see, I've got a cage ready to go for it. Cage needs to go in. Need to strip the front subframe off it. I'm going to do the cam belt on the engine. I'm going to do all the rust at the front, which there is a lot. I think Matt complained on the first track day at Donington. Matt complained that it was air-conned too much, which is too much ventilation because of the holes, because of the rust. Plenty of work to do on this. With all those, we've got arch liners to fit to the front and the rear to improve the aero. I'm going to try and create a ducting system for the front to get some more air in. The temperatures were really good when I was at Silverstone on this, but it was December, or was it November? But it was cold. So I just would like to create a system where the air goes in, we force it through the radiators and out, so on a nice hot day, temperatures are good. Next project is the workshop itself. At the moment, everything's got lots of bits, places that need to go, needs racking for everywhere essentially. You've got so many, all these boxes. I've got an office with a downhill bike being stored in there. Yeah, so I need to decide exactly how I want to lay all this out. I want to do a long-term bay here, because this is a long-term project. Do not worry, I'm not trying to fit an M5 front bumper to a Subaru. But on a long-term bay, medium-term type bay for jobs that are in for maybe like the week. And then this bay, probably going to try and make into something where I do filming, to do quick jobs, setups, in and out jobs essentially. So that's going to be a quick one. Yeah, that's the plan for the workshop anyway. Then I've got some other projects like this, a nostalgic bike build. Maybe I need to make a new channel for that, because I've got two of these and my downhill bike, and I've just restarted mountain biking. It's not a midlife crisis, but so these all need a good looking up and looking after. This is going to be a cross-country bike. My missus has got the slightly smaller frame of this, so she can ride it cross-country, and then the downhill bike just needs a lot of love in general. And then another project is this old girl. The M5 front bumper that's in there is going on the front of this. I've done an EGR delete on this. I need to sort the DPF out on it as well, because I had an EGR fault, but I've skirted around the problem. But I've still got an engine management light, so I need to sort the DPF out, and then basically map it so that I don't get an engine management light, so it passes its MOT. I love this old thing. This literally does everything I could ever need it to. Dogs, towing the race cars, long journeys. Absolutely love that car. And then the last piece of the puzzle, what I'm up to, is my own little racing car, which I imagine someone will give me jip for not finishing yet. So yes, this is a 7-year project, I think. Actually, I think it's longer than that. But yeah, so this basically needs to come apart. Some of the things I've done on this previously, like this. Oh, what was I thinking? Honestly, what was I thinking? So it just needs tidying up, really. And it still needs a set of drive shafts. But I'm going to get this thing apart, put it back together better, nicely. And hopefully, in the next year or so, that'll be ready to go. I mean, it's technically about 4 days' work, so that's the last piece of the little puzzle. This is my new garage, actually at home. But most of the work is going to go up in the workshop. So this is the last piece of the puzzle, and I'm going to try and make all of these little separate video series and label them as such. You can keep an eye on whichever one you want to do.